Hey guys, in this video we are going to explain the how to merge two array in Java without using predefined method. Okay, now you can see that we already wrote the whole program, so we can save the tag. So you can see that firstly we declare the array one, and we put the all element, whatever element we want to require, and we declare the array 2 also. And what we are doing next, we are taking the length of array 1 and length of array 2, and we are storing inside the variable a and b. And we here we add the both array length, and we are storing the variable c. Now you can see that we declare the third array where we are going to merge this both array. So now you can see that in first for loop what we are doing, we are initializing the all element from array 1 to merge array. Now you can see in the second for loop we are assigning the all elements from the array 2 to in merge. You can see that here we took the a plus j. That means here in firstly we add the all element from up to a length. Okay, that means here was 5 elements suppose, so we add up to the 5 element. After the 5 element it will add the second array. Okay, now here you can see that we are printing the merge array, and now you can see the result. You can see the result is up to 10 to 100, that we merges both element or both array. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.